From here you can also select, then click on editor, and you can see different options are here. You can see merge. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. You can see this is a shape file, and I'll show how you can use different editor tool in ArcMap. If you are not the subscriber on my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, and you can join my channel for better videos and personal helps regarding coding, etc. And I would request you, please see this video up to the end. It will be very much beneficial for you. Such kind of video you can't find in YouTube. So I'll start now. For that, what you need to do? This is the shape file. You can see this is the shape file, and this is the shape file. I will right click, edit features, start editing. See that the editing tools are activated. Then what you need to do? Also different options in the tools of editor. And to edit, first of all you need to do what? Create features. Click on create features. Then you can see the name, new shapefile, click on it, and then it is a polygon shapefile. So here you can see such different options. In a previous video I tried to show these construction tools options. I'll attach this video in the description box of this video. And now what you need to do? Click on polygon, and you can create a polygon with the same shapefile. See what happened. See that, two polygon. Previously it was single polygon. And now save edits or stop editing. It is done. And see that this is the new polygon and this is the old polygon. If you want to merge them, then what you need to do? You can see here the merge option is there, but in the editor tool you can also merge. Click on edit features, start editing, and you need to select the both, and then you can merge. For that, here the select features, just click on it, and then shift click on it, and then you can see two features are selected. From here you can also select, see that, from here you can also select, then click on editor, and you can see different options are here. You can see merge. If you click on merge and OK, see that here is one polygon. Deselect, select, one polygon is made. This is the merge tool option. After selecting this, here one polygon, so merge tool option is not working. Now also another tools, polygon, and you can see this is very important tool called cut polygon. For that, what I need to do? First of all, you need to select any feature. Yes, I selected this. Then click on cut polygon. Then you can cut one polygon into two pieces. Think that I'm double click. Yeah, see that. Now it is two polygon. Again, if you want to cut, select one. This is selected, and then cut polygon. See that three polygons are now. You can do such kind of things, and this is the work of cut polygon. And now also another. Now I'm saving this, save edits, and also trace tool working principle. For that, deselect, and now polygon. Here you can see trace tool. It is tracing. Okay, see that from here, trace tool, and then only editing tool. This is a polygon. Okay, this is a polygon. This is the whole polygon, and this is a single polygon. In this way you can create and see that this whole polygon and this single polygon is merged. Now what you can do, you can union them. For that, select the both editor, union. Okay, so that union is done. Now in this way you can create union. And another, if I'm selecting this or this and then edit vertices, you can edit your vertices. Okay, and I can edit this, and also I'll edit this also, this. For that, edit vertices, select single. Oh, you need to select single polygon. I want to select this and then edit vertices. I think that I'm doing this. And again edit vertices. See that what happened. This you can edit like this also. And these are the several tools options, and here polygon, and this is the endpoint arc segment tool, and attributes tool. You can add, I'm adding one or anything. See that here one is done. Oh, one mistake is done. Sitter jet. Okay, then I'm delete selected. I'm on to delete this, delete selected. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much.